Application programming interfaces, or application programming interfaces, are crucial in modern software development. They allow different software systems to communicate effectively. In Python, working with application programming interfaces involves sending requests and handling responses, often using libraries like requests. This enables developers to integrate external services, enhancing functionality and user experience. Application programming interfaces are pivotal in modern software, acting as gateways for seamless communication between diverse systems. They enable the interconnected digital landscape we experience daily, transforming how software components interact and function together. This foundational concept in software engineering is crucial for developing robust, scalable applications. An application programming interface, API, is a structured set of protocols and rules enabling software components to communicate and exchange data. APIs function like a digital postal service, ensuring requests are met with appropriate responses. They power social media integrations, e-commerce payments, Internet of Things, IoT communications, cloud orchestration, and mobile app backends. Application programming interfaces are crucial in Python development for seamless third-party integration with platforms like Twitter and Google Maps. They enable modular architecture, allowing scalable, maintainable systems through independent components. Python's rich library ecosystem, including requests and HTTPX, supports both application programming interface consumption and creation, making it a preferred language for diverse industry applications. The API request-response cycle begins with a client application initiating an HTTP request, specifying method, endpoint, headers, and optional payload. The API layer processes this request, validating credentials and applying business logic. Finally, the server responds with structured data, usually in JSON or XML, and a status code indicating success or error. Mastering API consumption in Python involves understanding libraries like requests for making HTTP calls, handle responses with JSON parsing, manage authentication with tokens, and implement error handling for robust applications. These skills enable seamless interaction with external services, enhancing application functionality and user experience. RESTful APIs utilize hypertext transfer protocol methods to define operations. GET retrieves data without altering resources, ideal for fetching profiles. POST creates new resources, like user registrations. PUT updates entire resources, requiring full data. DELETE removes resources permanently. PATCH modifies specific fields, efficiently updating parts of a resource. Understanding these verbs is crucial for effective application programming interface interaction. To use the Python request library, first install it using pip. For a GET request, import requests and call requests.get with the API endpoint. Check the status code for success, then parse JSON data. For a POST request, define a payload and use requests.post with the endpoint and payload. Always handle errors by checking status codes.